Are you tired of playing the guessing game with those iOS 17 updates?
I'm so tired of this. I'm really tired of it.
Well, don't give up yet. The leaks are still coming in hot and heavy. We're starting to see some juicy details about what iOS 17 will have in store for us this year. Not only will it bring some much-needed stability, but we're also getting some sweet updates to Apple Music. Get ready to rock out at karaoke night like never before. Control Center redesign. When it comes to altering the brightness on your iPhone, you can see that there are only 3 preset levels to choose from. It's not remarkable for a flagship phone like the iPhone, especially compared to less expensive smartphones like Samsung's Galaxy A series. For example, the Galaxy A32 features 5 different degrees of brightness preset by default. However, in the upcoming update, you will have the opportunity to enjoy a more advanced and sophisticated adjustment system for your flashlight's illumination level. That could involve replacing the current system with a brightness slider, allowing for even greater precision and fine-grained control over the brightness level.
Bright! Very bright!
With this new feature, you can easily adjust the illumination level to your preferences. If this update doesn't pique your interest, stay tuned to find out what more Apple has in store for the lock screen. Lock screen. Apple went all out, adding a slew of new customization choices for the lock screen in iOS 16. Despite this, lock screen issues have disproportionately impacted users. 2 examples of these are lock screen personalization problems and data inconsistencies. However, the iPhone lock screen is getting a makeover in the upcoming iOS 17 update.
Oh, now that's some good news. That's good news. Great.
You may collaborate on lock screen layouts and even change the text size you like. Adding a social dimension to iPhone personalization, Apple may provide a new button that lets users broadcast their unique layouts to other iPhone owners. These changes will allow for more personalization and interactivity on the lock screen. What's coming next will increase your excitement. There have been updates to Apple Music. But before I tell you more, subscribe to our channel if you want the inside scoop on your favorite tech.
At your service.
Apple Music. Have you ever had that experience when you were sure you knew all the words of a song, but upon checking the lyrics, you realized you were completely wrong? It's like, oops, I've been saying nonsense this whole time.
It's kind of embarrassing.
You can easily embarrass yourself when you sing the wrong lyrics out loud in public. Why are we saying this? Well, it's because, with iOS 17, it is said that Apple Music will also get changes, including the capability to see lyrics immediately on the lock screen. It's also possible that Apple Music's user interface may undergo simplification for better usability and enhanced user experience. In this iteration of iOS, Apple appears committed to giving you more control over your iPhone use. They'll even make it easier to personalize the app selection. Let's dive in. App Library. The App Library is a feature that provides a convenient and organized way to view all your apps on your device. It automatically categorizes your apps into various categories, including, but not limited to, creativity, social, and entertainment. However, some iOS users noticed a problem where the most recent update, version 16.3, disrupted the App Library sorting algorithm and displayed applications in the incorrect categories. With the release of iOS 17, these bugs will be resolved. Furthermore, within the App Library, you can manually modify the names of folders. This feature allows you to tailor your app organization to your liking, providing greater customization and personalization. What more do you want the App Library to provide? Let us know in the comments section. Apart from the various upgrades, Apple is also significantly emphasizing developing a new application that will enhance your overall well-being. Please continue to stay tuned for additional information and updates. Keep watching for more details.
Good, there's more coming.
New Journal app. Journal applications like Penzu and Day One have been a mainstay for iPhone users for years, with millions of downloads. However, these journaling apps have limited access to phone features, and some require subscriptions for additional features. But wouldn't an app with full access be better? If you answered yes, then you will be pleased to learn that Apple is working on a new journal app to log daily activities and thoughts. The app will also be able to track what a typical day is like, such as how much time is spent at home. Apple's upcoming app will allow users to track their daily activities as part of its foray into mental and physical health technology. The app will also integrate better with other Apple apps and use data analysis to provide insight into users' routines and habits, including health, location, text messages, phone calls, and calendar events. Nonetheless, these are just the latest in a long line of rumors and leaks. Apple might bring multiple other features in the new update, including support for the mixed reality headset, side-loading apps, and more. So check out our next video for more information.